Safety. It may be your job, but each and every individual on the facility floor is responsible for their safety. Traditionally speaking, providing a safe working environment around a potentially hazardous machine means providing a detailed lockout procedure, maybe a confined space permit, and also a maintenance schedule. These items are a key component to a safe facility, but how do you assure that these procedures are being followed? How do you assure that they're OSHA compliant? How do you assure that they're being regularly audited for accuracy? And overall, just how do you assure that you have a solid handle on your entire safety program? We at Brady recognize that these concerns keep you up at night, and we now have the solution. Link360. Create lockout procedures, maintenance procedures, and confined space permits. Request confined space entry permits and generate approvals. Facilitate comments and updates to your procedures. Build your own auditing process to keep your environment up to date. Route your procedures for review and approval. Uh-oh, someone needs my approval. Better take care of that. And most importantly, see a snapshot of your safety program at any time. Link360 is much more than a program used to simply design your procedures. It's your tool to complete visibility, compliance, and complete peace of mind to discover your path to safety.